Hi, I'm Elizabeth Allen Herandez, otherwise known as That Glitterfied Gal. Here's a little info on me. I love to cook. I always have and probably always will. So on my channel, you can expect to see recipes, kitchen hacks, budget-friendly meals, time-saving tips, frugal finds, pretty much anything kitchen related with a side of silly crazy because life is what you make it, so you might as well make it fun. But there is a lot more to me than just cooking and kitchen, and that is my family. I have an incredible husband and two kiddos. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I love to travel. I love to try new things, both with my family and my friends, and connect with my community. You'll find a little bit of everything over here on my side of the internet. Here is a little summary of just a few things that you might see more than others. Either way, I look forward to getting to know you, and thanks for watching.